4 raised to power s is equal to 1 over x. What is the value of s? Hello, welcome to Mathgist. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this equation. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. Here, let's take the power of both sides by 1 over s. That is 4 to the power of s all raised to power 1 over s is equal to 1 over s all raised to power 1 over x. Let's see. Take note of this rule that a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power nm, which is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m. Then here we have 4 raised to power 4 s times 1 x over x is equal to 1 over x all raised to power 1 over x. This one will cancel this. We have 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 1 over x all raised to power 1 over x. Then by comparing, the exponents is equal to 2 and this one is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 over s is equal to 2. Now let's cross multiply. 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by x. Then 1 is equal to 2x. Now let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.